together an old radio control car from my childhood, huh? From 1986. We're rebuilding it. It's called the Grasshopper. We got the steering servo put in place now, huh, buddy? That's what this is, right? Here. Yeah. And we ripped out all of this. This was the old, they don't even use these anymore, mechanical throttle.
That was it. I could either become a nun or I could raise.
Where the servo actually pulled this into one of two different directions. Oh, we'll turn it back on. And then we had all of this. This was the old steering mechanism. Or no, actually this was the throttle mechanism here. This is the old steering. The old radio. And all of that's been replaced with this new radio here, the receiver. And then this thing replaced the whole throttle. That's crazy. Pretty cool, huh? We haven't hooked up the throttle yet, just the steering. You like that? Go ahead, steer it.
Is it your car?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna put that thing on.
Oh yeah, the old body. Yeah, we'll put that on eventually. Might see if we can get a new body for it. That one's beat up. 1986. I was in 5th grade. Or no, I would have been 6th grade. Yeah. You're cool, huh?
Maggie, you do it.
Okay. Oh, I think you're stuck now, buddy. Go. Whoa! Stop, stop! Give me the control.